As you can see, this is the garden right beside the Jungle Cottage with the mural here. And welcome to Garden D. Now D, it's mostly decorative. Decorative at the side of Jungle Cottage. You can see it's got some really nice orchids. Some of them are still blooming right now. Really beautiful decorative ones. There's the decorative taro right here. And moving along, that's mainly the plant here that's growing right now. We also have some other low-growing decoratives like this one here. So the maintenance activity with this is mainly to weed it and thin it. You see how scraggly it looks right now? We can get all that under foliage out. This one is always the choker. This guy, it's these leaves, though, that's the one that chokes out the other plants. They grow so quickly. The main useful plant it has is the aloe vera. And as you know, aloe vera is useful for so many things. And we got a lovely big patch that grows right here. Now the second part of Garden D is the edible part. This one, what we like to do is sometimes show you a garden when it needs work, not just when it's been finished. And this is one that needs work right now. This is a weed, but this over here, you can see the purple underside, is Okinawa spinach. It's a really delicious edible plant that could be eaten as a salad or as a spinach. Right over here, these gorgeous glossy plants, this is called edible hibiscus. Again, it could be eaten as a salad or as a spinach. Now, the third edible plant, this is our kind of little salad zone here. So we have three different edible plants growing in this area, and this is at the side of the barn, which I'm just showing you very quickly there, giving you a little quick overview. So katuk, and what's nice about katuk is you can take the leaves and you can eat them right off the tree because they grow so high that nothing really gets on them. And the leaves have a kind of a nutty taste. It's really unique, and it's just really good. Great on salads or in spinach, as a spinach. Now, over here, on the rest of the garden, this one is a nice gardenia, and that one, it's decorative, purely decorative. Makes a really nice flower that smells really, really good. It's very, so we figured next to the human habitation space, it's a good one to have. Over here is the palace, cat house, otherwise known as the Pussy Palace, and it's where the cats have their din-dins and eating. Again, maintenance for this one is to keep it weeded a little bit every now and then so the cats can actually get inside and to keep that part down. Now, this is the last part of Garden D here, and one of the big plants we have here, this part here is under shelter. It's under the roof over here, so it gets a lot of sunshine. So we grow plants here that are desert-like and can survive, that really don't need much water. So we have plumeria, and over here we have dragon fruit. We have another cactus right here, and we also have citronella. And the citronella is really good. If you take some of the old leaves, like one of the old leaves that are yellow, and you take this, you crush it up, it's natural citronella. You can rub it on your skin, and you got your mosquito repellent. So we keep that close to where the hangout zone is. And as you can see from the hangout zone, hello everyone, people hang out. It's the hangout zone. And so we like to keep the citronella right there, so that way they always have an option to get natural mosquito repellent. This one is actually a tree that's going to be moved. It's one that is more useful in another location. So we're wanting to basically, the main maintenance activity for this is the citronella grows by simply breaking it off, taking off some of the leaves, and replanting it. So what we want to do for this garden is we want to thicken it up. with a lot more citronella, replanting some of the ones that are growing out here, thinning out the weeds in here to make it look much better, and replanting a lot of citronella there. So then that way it's a really nice citronella patch for everyone to be able to use. And that just about concludes Garden D. Thank you. Aloha.